girl, Pep. Oh, get it going.
I did.
Good girl, Pep. Okay, don't jam yourself too far. That's all we wanted to do. We just wanted her to stay calm and focused. Imagine that. See, I can't understand what went wrong that day.
You kicked her.
He kicked her. Yes, that was retarded. Oh, and she's realizing you're up there now. There you go, Pepsi. Good girl. Good job, Dan. I hate how far your feet are in those stirrups, though. So you're trapped. So if something happens and you get fucked off, your foot's not going to come out and you'll be like being dragged around.
Oops.
That's why we use cowboy boots. I've managed to make you scared now. Imagine that. But that's a good thing to worry about.
What do you think about all this? Says big deal.
I kind of got... Well, maybe I'll just walk around the outside and come to me. Come on, Beth. Come on, girl. Come on, Beth. It sounds like I have something yummy. Come on, Beth. I don't have something yummy, but I can fake it.
There's some in the pocket of my jacket.
Come on, Beth. Come on, Beth. It's okay. You can take a step. Hey, there's lots of love peppermint. And I have Tic Tac. Come on, Beth. You want a Tic Tac? I've never found a horse that does, but they're supposed to. All horses are supposed to love peppermint. Do you want a peppermint? Come on, Pep. Peppermint. Hey, Pep. Here, Pep. Come on. You want one? Come on. Come out.
He's wiggling like I did on Shoshone.
Well, that seems to be what you feel like doing. It worked with Tina. You made Tina go. That's it. It's a girl. I got a Tic Tac for you. Peppy gets a Tic Tac. Come on, Peppers. Tic Tac for Pep. Tic Tac for Pep.
Good girl.
There you go. Oh, shoot. Did you get it? Did you get it? Good girl, Pep. You do like peppermint. So she's appropriately named after all. Good girl, Pep. She took a step. So now I'll just go out and let you finish doing what you're doing. Good girl, Pep. Yeah, she feels wobbly when she steps, doesn't she? When I was on her, it felt like she didn't know how to keep her legs under herself necessarily with the person on them. As wiggly as her legs seem, but yeah, like that. Awesome. Good girl, Pep.
This doesn't seem to be the slightest big deal to her at all.
Huh?
Doesn't seem like a big deal.
No, that's why I can't figure out why it went so bad before. Come on, Pep. Come on, Pep. Come on, Pep. Come on, Pep. Maybe she doesn't know she just got a peppermint. Maybe it fell in the snow. All right, you've got some in your pocket in here.
Yeah, one of the lower ones.
Do they snap?
Snap.
I mean, I don't know.
It's going to be one of the bottom pockets. I'm not sure which one.
Oh, I don't know.
One of them's got cigarette butts in it.
Hi,
The other one's
Pep.
got stuff in it.
Hi, Stinky. Okay, if you're gonna come over, I'll just leave you. Come on, Pep. Come on. Come on, Pep. Come on, Pep. Good girl, Pep. Come on, Pep. Good girl, Pep. Good girl, Pep. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Come on.
Why don't you snap the whip at her?
No, why don't you just give her a few kicks?
Good girl, Pep.
Good girl, Pep. Come on. Come on. Good girl, Pep. Good girl. Good girl. Good job, Dan. Cowboy. As opposed to like a real live horse trainer that doesn't have to make them buck. I think she just knew that guy wanted to get bucked off, so she bucked him off.